window R, type CMD, press enter. Window R, type CMD, press enter. This is the command prompt. While opening a command prompt, it is opening to C drive, users folder and Dell. C drive, users folder and username. This is the current username. If we trigger Java C command, you'll get an error. If we trigger Java command, you'll get an error. Why? Because command prompt doesn't know the location where Java C command is available, Java command available. Command prompt doesn't know where Java C command is available and where Java command is available. So for that purpose, you need to set a path. Set path is equal to the location where commands available. This is the location where commands available. Check it out. This is the location where commands available. Alt D, select the address bar. Alt D, select the address bar. Control C. Now come back to the command prompt. Right click and paste. We are setting a path to the command's location. We are setting a path to the command's location. Java C space hyphen version. Java space hyphen version. We are able to run very successfully. I'll show you once again. Open a command prompt, window R, CMD, Java C space hyphen version, Java space hyphen version, not running. Even check it out from other places. Go to the E colon, Java C space hyphen version, Java space hyphen version, not able to run successfully. Even go to the D drive, D colon, Java C space hyphen version, Java space hyphen version, not able to run. By default, we cannot run commands directly from the command prompt from outside a command's location. Commands are available in the bin folder. While running from outside a bin folder, you get this type of error. Let me set path. Set path is equal to the location of the commands. How to find out the location of the commands? Open window E. Go to the location where commands available. Go to the location where commands available. D drive. December SW. JDK extracted folder. dec19, the bin folder. This is the location where commands available. Go for Alt D, Alt D, Control C, copy, Control C, set path is equal to, right click and paste, right click and paste, press enter. Set path is equal to. Now you can trigger Java C command. Java command. Even you can go to the E drive. From the E drive, Java C version, Java version. To clear the command prompt, press CLS, type CLS, Java C space hyphen version, Java space hyphen version. Setting a path environment variable through set command. Let me open another command prompt, window R, type CMD, window R, type CMD. If you go for Java C, as it is a new command prompt, it cannot recognize. Go to the D drive, Java C, not recognizing. Go to the E drive, Java C, not recognizing because of new command prompt. In this command prompt also, you need to set one more time. Set path is equal to lowercase or uppercase, the location where commands are available. Right click and paste. Now trigger Java C command, running successfully. Even go to the D drive, run the Java C command, running successfully. Let me open one more command prompt, window R. It's a new command prompt. If it is a new command prompt, path will not be visible. You need to set a guide. Set path is equal to the location of the commands, Java C space hyphen version, Java space hyphen version. Whenever you are opening a new command prompt, without fail, you need to set a path. Come on. Open a new command prompt, window R, window key, left to Alt, window key, window R, Java C with a version. It is a new command prompt, Java space with a version. New command prompt. You need to set a path. Right click and paste. Typing this much portion not recommended. While you are typing, you may be committing a mistake. always avoid typing paths. Always go to the address bar through Alt D, copy address bar content and right click and paste in the command prompt. Always you have to find out the ways of avoiding typo errors. The ways of avoiding typo errors. We are the human beings. Definitely we may commit a mistake while keep on typing lengthy path. Always copy from the address bar. I'll close all the windows. So please observe, first and foremost one, go to the location where commands available. Go to the location where commands available, copy that path. Where commands available in our downloaded folder. Go to the window E, D drive, window E, D drive. Inside a D drive, December softwares. In the December softwares, there is a JDK extracted bundle. JDK extracted bundle. Go inside. In the extracted bundle, there is a JDK 19. Go inside. In the JDK 19, there is a bin folder. Go inside. Inside a bin folder. Alt D. Select the path where our commands are there. Control C. This is the location where our commands available. Now, open a command prompt, window R. Type CMD. If you trigger JavaC directly, you'll get an error. If you trigger Java command directly, you'll get an error. You need to set a path. Set path is equal to, we already copied our command's location. Right click and paste. Press enter. This is the way to set a path in the first way. This is local to the command prompt. It will be visible to only current command prompt. If you open a new command prompt, again you need to set. This is the limitation. Wherever you are setting a path, in that window only it will be available. It will not be available to other command prompts. For every command prompt you need to set. For every command prompt you need to set. Let me open another command prompt. Directly you cannot trigger. You need to set a path. You can also go for path like this, P in the uppercase. Right click and paste. Now go to the JavaC command. The main limitation is for every command prompt you need to set a path. For every command prompt you need to set a path. Whenever you open a command prompt, you need to set a path. Whenever you open a command prompt, you need to set a path. Whenever you are opening a command prompt, you need to set a path. Java space hyphen version. Whenever you are opening a command prompt, you need to set a path. It's a major limitation through first way, that is through set command. By using set command while setting a path, it is a local to current command prompt. Local. It will not be visible to other command prompts. It will not be visible to other command prompts. It is not visible to other command prompts. Let us move to the second way. I need to set a path permanently one time. I don't want to set again and again. Setting a path in the second way for one user, setting a path for all the command prompts. It should be available even after restarting the system. Even after restarting the system, that path configuration should be available. How to set a path? Permanently for one user. Permanently for one user. Any command prompts, even after restarting same user. Same user for one user. Any number of command prompts, even after restarting. Like same user, keep on using path configuration without setting again and again. Even same user after restarting, that path should be available. Like a forever configuration for one user. Forever configuration. Configuring forever. For any number of command prompts, even after restarting any number of times, path should be visible. The second approach is one user path setting. First approach is one command prompt, one window setting a path. We set a path for one window. Same path not visible to second window. Same path not visible to third window. Same path not visible to fourth window. Come on. For the same window, for one window, we are setting. For one window, we are setting a path. For one window. That is through set command. I don't want setting a path for every command prompt. I need to set a path for one user, even though he is using several command prompts. After restarting also. After restarting also, it should be available. After restarting also, it should be available. It should be available. How? So first and foremost one, copy location of commands. First and foremost one, you need to copy location of the commands. We already copied, it's available in the clipboard. Still, let us see one more time. Copying location of commands. Window E. Go to the D drive. Window E. Go to the D drive. Window E. Go to the D drive. Put the December softwares. Go to JDK extracted folder. JDK19 bin folder. This is the location of the commands. Alt D. Copy this one. This path we need to update permanently for one user. This is the location. Control C. In the same window, left side, in the same window, left side, you can see this PC. This PC. Right click. Go to properties. Right click on this PC. Go to properties. Under properties, you can see advanced system settings. Go to advanced system settings. Look for advanced system settings. Click on advanced system settings. Environment variables. Environment variables. In the upper section, you can see path. You can also see the title, user variable for the current user. In my system, current user name is a Dell. We are trying to set a path for one user, current user. In my system, current user name is a Dell. Upper section is current user. The current username in my system is a Dell. You can see the path. Upper section, user level section. Select the path. Upper section, that is user level section. Select a path. Click on edit. You can see there is no JDK bin over here. We need to add our JDK bin as a one entry. Already 3 entries are there. Add a new entry. You can see new. Click on new. Click on new. You will be getting a 4th line as a blank line. 4th line as a blank line. Control V. In the fourth line, try pasting whatever copied from the address bar. Whatever is there in the clipboard, that you can paste it. Control V. Control V. Click OK. In all the windows, click OK. In every window, click OK. In every window, click OK. Don't click on cancel. After updating a path in the user level, open a new command prompt. Don't use the previous command prompts. Open a new command prompt. Open a new command prompt. Go for window R. Type CMD. Trigger Java C command. Trigger Java command. Successfully we are able to run. Open another command prompt and check it out. For the current user, for the current user, for the current user, let me open a new command prompt. One more command prompt. Let me trigger Java C. Without setting a path, we are able to run successfully. Without setting a path. We set a path globally in the PC, in the my PC for one user. For one user. The same path will be visible even after restarting the system. If you enter into the system with the same user account, my current user account is a Dell. For one user account, we set a path. Let me open one more command prompt. Window R. Trigger Java C with a version. Trigger Java command with a version. You can also go to the D drive. Java C space version. Java space version. Let us clear the console. Go to the E drive, E colon. From anywhere we are able to run the command. From anywhere we are able to run the commands successfully. We updated our commands location globally under one user, under user account, under current user. Let me close all the windows. Everybody, close all the windows. Open a new command prompt. Window R. Type CMD. window or type CMD, trigger Java C with a version, Java with a version, Java C command and Java command. We are able to run very successfully. Even after restarting also, path will be available. Permanently setting a path for one user, even after restarting also it will be available. If you want it, quickly you can restart the system and you can check it out. We set a path for one user. What is the meaning of one user, one user? I was using several times one user, one user. Observe. System can have n number of users. In one system, there can be multiple user accounts, multiple user accounts, multiple user accounts, multiple user accounts. For the same system, multiple user accounts can be. Let us consider. There is one company with three shifts, three working shifts. If three working shifts are there, then same system can be shared to three employees. Three working shifts are there, different timings. Maybe morning, evening and night shifts. 3. 8 into 3, 24. Each shift 8 hours. Morning, maybe evening and late night. Same system we can share to three different users. For the same system, we can create three user accounts. One user account to the morning shift employee, second user account to the evening shift employee, third user account to the night shift employee. In one system, we can create any number of user accounts. Every user account will have a separate password. Every user account will have a separate configuration, user setting configuration. Whatever configuration we set now, that is for user setting, under user setting, under user level, under user level, under user level, under user level, under user level we are setting. The current user. In my system, current user is a Dell. In my system, there is only one user account, but we can create any number of user accounts. To create a second user account, it is not a big challenge. Through Google, anybody, by taking the help from the Google, within 5 minutes, within 10 minutes, we can create a second user account. It is not a big deal. It is not like a system administrative activity. It is our user level activity. We can create any number of user accounts to our system. Let us consider in our family. Maybe our brother also using. We don't want to share some of our information to him. We wanted to give a separate access to him. You can create another user account to the brother and you can ask him to use that user account. A separate password you are giving to him. He can change the password after he log in. Please observe, a system can have any number of user accounts. Second level of setting a path. Second way of setting a path. User level setting a path. For one user, for current user. For current user, setting a path. If you are setting a path for the current user, that will not be visible to other valid users of the same system. That will not be visible to other valid users of same system. That will not be visible to other valid users of same system. Let us consider, I set a path for the Dell user. Assume in my laptop, I have also XYZ user. If I set something under Dell user setting, then XYZ user will not be knowing. He cannot use, he cannot modify, he cannot see, he cannot remove. Let us consider XYZ user setting something under user level. That XYZ user settings, Dell user cannot see, Dell user cannot modify, Dell user cannot delete. One user, current user. Whatever setting under user level, that will be visible to current user only. That will not be visible to other users. That will not be visible to other users. Please remember, in one system, any number of user accounts will be. In one system, any number of user accounts will be. In one system, any number of user accounts will be. Any number of user accounts. Same system can have multiple user accounts. If you set anything under one user account, that will be local to that user, that will be private to that user. Other users will not be knowing. Other users cannot see, cannot modify, cannot remove, cannot add. User level. Second way of setting is a user level. I'll show the entire procedure once again. User level. Please observe. Close all the command prompts. Window E. Everybody. Go to the location where our commands available. Go to the location where our commands available. Go to the location where our commands available. This is the location. Several times I showed this location. We know very well. Alt D, Control C. Alt D, Control C. In the same window in the left frame, you can see this PC or my PC or my computer. You can see this PC. In some systems, it is showing as a my PC. Right click, properties. Right click, properties. Properties. You can see advanced system settings. Advanced system settings. Environment variable. Environment variables. In this location, upper section is a current user. Lower section is different. That I'll show you. Upper section is a current user. You can see the title also, user variables for Dell. Dell is a current username in my system. The title, user variables for the Dell. You can just observe my mouse movement. So upper section. Select a path. Select a path. Click on edit. Click on edit. Already there is a JDK pin. I'm just selecting the same and removing to set one more time. Now click on new. You'll get a blank line as a fourth line. Control V. Click OK. OK in all the windows. In every window, click on OK. Don't go for cancel anywhere. I'm closing this also. We set a path in the second approach. That second approach is user level approach. For one user, for current user. Open window or type CMD, press Java C. For any command prompt, it will be available. Even after restarting also, it will be available. This is the second approach. In this approach, we set a path for one user. This path will not be visible to other users. User level privacy. User level security. Whatever path we set, that will not be visible to other users. Now, let's move to the third way of setting a path. Totally three ways are there. We have seen. First way, command prompt voice. Second way, user voice. The third way is system voice. System for entire system. No matter who is using this system, no matter which user using this system. Third approach is system wise. The third way of setting a path. Third way of setting a path Third way of setting a path. Third way of setting a path. It is system wise, global to entire system. Not for one user, for all the users. Not for one user, for all the users. System wise. Entire system wise. Not for one user, entire system wise. Again, copy the commands location. You should know very clearly where our commands are there. Throughout the life, we are using Java C command and Java command. I've seen some people who are confusing where are our commands. Even after 2 months of the training, please observe. Where is our software? Where our commands available? You should know very clearly. Go to the window E, D drive, December softwares, JDK. Entire life we will be using this folder. Please observe. Inside this dec19th. Bin stands for binary. All the commands, all the executable files, all the DLL files will be available inside this folder. This folder only containing commands. Today I am showing only Java C and Java. Still lot more commands are there. Those commands we will be using in the later stages. Initially, we required Java C command and Java command. Not only those two commands, you can see several commands. Please observe. All these are the commands. Jar is one command. Java doc is another command. Java P is another command. Lot more commands you'll come to know. But in the beginning, you should know Java C and Java. So copy the path of these commands. Alt D, Alt D, Control C, Control C, Control C. Come to the left side. You can see this PC. Right click on this PC. Go to Properties. Right click on this PC. Go to Properties. So go down. Advanced System Settings. Advanced System Settings. Environment Variables. Environment Variables. Already we have seen this window. Upper section is a one user for current user. You can see bottom section. The title itself is System Variables. You can see title itself System Variables. System Variables. The third approach is setting a path for all the users in one system. System level. System level. System variables. System variables. System variables. System variables. System variables. Under system variables, you can see the path. Setting a path under system level. Select the path, click on edit. Select the path, click on edit. Select the path, click on edit. Lot of entries are there. Click on new. Try pasting. Control V. Then click OK. OK in all the windows, but here We already set under user level. We don't require to set under user level. If you really wanted configuration for all the users, then follow this one. Generally, we will follow only second approach. Generally, we follow in the second approach. Third approach is not recommended. Why? Because we are losing a security. Every user can see this. They may modify. We cannot see all people are very gentle. There may be a chance of misusing. So I'm not clicking OK. We got to know the procedure. Click on cancel. If you really wanted configuring something for every user, then this is the place. Configuring everything. Configuring something for every user. Configuring something for every user. Then do this one. Generally, we avoid configuring everything. Configuring something for every user. Always we have to look for privacy, security. Click on cancel. All the windows cancel. I'll show you once again. Everybody, the same location already we have seen. Go for window E. In the left side, this PC. Right click. Properties. Right click. Properties. Advanced system settings. Environment variables. Environment variables. Environment variables. The lower section is a system variables. Lower section is a system variables. Lower section is a system variables. System variables. Lower section. Lower section is a system variables. Select a path. Lower section is a system variables. Select a path. Click on edit. Go to the new. Mention whatever you copied. If you click OK in all the windows, then it will be configuring as a system. Global to every user. Global to every user. But I don't want this. I'm just cancelling. We set a path. We set a path under user level. We have seen all three approaches. Command window wise, user wise, system wise. Command window wise, not recommended. Why? Because for every command we need to set. 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 The third one, system level also not recommended. Why? Because for every user it will be available. Third one, system level not recommended. System level not recommended. Why? Because for every user it is visible. For every user it is visible. For every user it is visible. You will be losing the security. The best recommended approach is user level. Second one. User level. Second one. The best recommended approach. The best recommended approach is user level. 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 Now, open a command prompt. Everybody, please open the command prompt. You know very well, window or. Window or. There is a command echo to see values of any environment variable. Please type this command. Echo space. I'll tell you. Echo space percentage path percentage. Echo space percentage path percentage. To read the environment variables. Press enter. You will be getting system level path and even user level path. There are two paths in the My PC. To read configuration whichever you made under My PC. Echo space percentage path percentage. Echo space percentage path percentage. Echo space percentage path percentage. You can read any environment variable value by using echo command. Echo is a predefined command like a set command. Predefined command. In the operating system, set is one command, echo is another command. By using echo command, we can read any environment variable value. By using echo command, we can read any environment variable value. You need to mention percentage path percentage. If you are using Linux or Unix environment, then echo space $path. This is only for Linux or Unix flavors. $path. It's only for the Linux flavors. Echo space $path. If it is Windows environment, echo space percentage name of the environment variable path, then percentage. Percentage path percentage. Echo space $path. Let's open a command prompt from any location. I'm going to the E drive. Again, I'm triggering echo percentage path percentage. Go to the D drive. Echo space percentage path percentage. You can also mention in the uppercase. You can see while reading a path, you will be getting both system level and user level. You can see whatever path we set under user level, it is coming at the bottom. This is our entry, whatever we set. See, generally, while reading a path, it is providing system level values and user level values. System level values and user level values. System level values and the user level values. This is all about path environment variable. Without the path environment variable, there will be no interviews at all. Every interviewer is asking how to specify our commands to the command prompt. After JDK installation, what is the immediate mandatory configuration? That is path. What are the different ways available? Three approaches. Which are the commands available to know something about a path? Echo. To set command. How to set user level in the PC, in the this PC or my PC, under environment variables, user level. What is the difference between user level and system level? User level, please observe. User level, it is only for current user. Only for the current user. System level for every users. For every user in the system. Just a second. So we have seen every information about a path. So totally setup is ready. We downloaded the software, we configured. We are able to run javac command and java command very successfully from the command prompt. Once the setup is ready, we can start developing Hello World programs. Let us see. Simple Hello World development. Go to Window E. I'll go to the E drive. All developments I'll be doing in the E drive. If you don't have one more drive, then in the same drive, you can create another folder. You can use that folder. Go to the E drive. In the E drive, so please observe. Yeah. Go to the E drive. Create one folder. December batch DAV. So please observe, don't choose any uppercase alphabets. Don't choose any uppercase alphabets. And don't choose any spaces. Whenever you are creating a folder, if multiple words are there, you have to choose a hyphen. If multiple words are there, choose the hyphen. Don't go for a space. Java environment won't allow spaces in the folder names. From today onwards, even while creating a folder for your personal purpose, don't choose a space. Be habitual of creating a folder without spaces. And don't go for any uppercase. Generally, non-computer science people, non-software people, they'll be following like first letter in the uppercase. It's like a convention in the English. But here, while creating a folder name, don't choose any uppercase alphabets and don't choose any space. Go inside. Let us try developing one simple Hello World program. One simple Hello World program. This is the folder I created for development purpose. We created one folder where we have to develop Java programs. Let us see the first program. Everybody. So there are three steps to be followed. There are three steps to be followed to develop a simple Hello World program. In order to develop a simple Hello World program, please observe. The first step is composing. In order to develop a Java program, totally three steps you have to follow. First one is a composing. Second one, compilation or compiling. The third one, running. These are the three steps you have to follow to develop a simple Hello World program. Simple Hello World program. Compose a Java program. Compile a Java program. Run a Java program. Composing, compiling, and running. Composing a Java program, compiling a Java program, running a Java program. What is composing? Composing. Open a editor and type the program. Typing a program is called as a composing. Don't call like a typing or writing, call as a composing. Composing a program. Writing a program, typing a program, coding a program is called as a composing. But always use composing rather than I'm writing a program, I'm coding a program, I'm typing a program. Don't use those words. Use only composing a program. I'm composing a program. I'm composing a program. Not like I'm typing a program, I'm writing a program, I'm coding a program. You have to mention always composing. Composing a program. Composing a program is nothing but typing a program. Typing a program. Let us see. Composing a program. Composing a program. Everybody, we already choose a directory where we have to compose a program. Directory is ready. We already installed the editor. Edit place also ready. Open the edit place and compose a program. So go to the desktop. Go to the desktop. You can see edit place. Double click on edit place. Double click on edit place. You are getting the same window. Click on yes. Click on yes. This is the second window. Click on OK. Click on OK. Click on yes. You will be getting this type of window. It is asking username and registration code. You don't require to enter username and registration code. You can go for trial. Click on trial. Trial. Click on trial. So in this, you can click on I agree for 30 days. 30 days you can I agree. After 30 days, you can bring this pop-up window to the bottom and keep working. After 30 days, you cannot go for I agree. Only 30 days is a trial version, but after 30 days also, you can able to use. After 30 days also, you can able to use by dragging this pop-up window to the bottom. Just to drag this pop-up window to the bottom. So I'm using this for the past 22 years. No need of buying. Only initial 30 days you can go for I agree. Then, so the pop-up window you can drag to the bottom and keep on. You'll be seeing this type of window. So go to the file, new Java. File, new Java. Everybody, open the edit place, file, new Java. Automatically you are getting a base code for the Java. This is the base code for Java. You don't require to compose this much. Automatically edit place is providing. You can call this as a class code. In Java, without a class, nothing can be developed. In Java, without a class, nothing can be developed. Python is different. Directly you can keep a print method in the Python. JavaScript is different. Directly you can keep a alert in the script code. But in case of Java, everything should be encapsulated inside a class. Class is mandatory. That is why edit is providing class code. One class code. What you have to do is just to give a name to the class. I'm just giving a name to the class as hello. Please provide H in the uppercase. Please provide H in the uppercase. H in the uppercase. Hello. Only name to the class is required in this program. Rest of the thing already provided by the edit place. And we are here developing hello world. It's a simple first program. No need of adding more content. Let it the same, whatever provided, just given a name to hello. Now, everybody select the hello, copy the hello. Select the hello, name of the class, name of the class. Name of the class, Control C, copy. Select the name of the class and copy. Why? Because file name always we have to give with a class name. Whatever class name we are choosing, with the class name only file name. But there are some deviations. Don't bother about the deviations. Try following as a condition. File name as a class name. File name as a class name. Some scenarios we can choose without a class name also. You can go for file name other than class name also, but don't follow that one. You will come to know all the points in down the line. As of now, try following a condition like class name itself as a file name. Class name itself as a file name. I copied hello, control C. Now saving this file. Saving this file, control S. Control S. While saving, you need to consider three things. While saving, you need to consider three things. First one, location. Second one, file name. Third one, file type. Type or extension. Whenever you are saving any file, three things you have to consider. First one, location. In the E drive, I already created one folder in the E drive. Go to the E drive. December batch DEV. This is the location. Go inside a location. We selected a location. 1 point got over. 1 point. Select the location. Select the location. Location. Always you need to choose the location. Second one, file name. File name. You can see the file name. By default, we are getting untitled one. You need to replace with the class name. We already copied class name. Control V. Control V. Whatever you copied. The third one, type. By default, it is choosing Java already. You can see save as a type Java. If at all it is not choose a type as a Java, then you need to choose as a Java. While creating a new file, we mentioned a file new Java. While creating a new file, we mentioned a file new Java. That is why edit plus recognizing type as a Java. Giving a type as a Java. Click on save. This entire process is called as a composing. Composing. You can see in the December batch, there is a hello and Java type source. Hello Java source. So it is like a hello.java. Type is saved as a hello.java. Hello.java. The composing is resulted hello.java. Hello.java. File name is a hello, extension is a Java. In some systems, it shows a hello.java. In some systems, it shows a hello and type as a Java source. It is purely based on OS configuration. First step, composing. Composing got over. Composing resulted hello.java. Composing resulted hello.java. Composing resulted hello.java. Composing resulted hello.java. Let us see the second step, compilation. compilation should be done through javac command. Compilation. Second step, compilation should be done through javac command. Javac command. Compilation should be done through javac command. Compilation should be done through javac command. Compilation should be done through javac command. Javac stands for Java compiler. Javac stands for Java compiler. Java compiler. So we know already commands running from the command prompt. We ran several times javac command while compiling. Use javac command. Run that javac command from the place where Java file is saved. Please observe. You need to trigger javac command. You need to trigger javac command from the place where Java file is saved. Where Java file is saved. Wherever Java file is saved, from that location. So please observe. Hello.java is in the dec batch dev. Select the address bar. Everybody. Select the address bar after seeing hello.java. Select the address bar. From the hello.java, the location of hello.java, select the address bar, type cmd. After selecting address bar. It should be from the hello.java. You have to see the hello.java while selecting address bar. cmd. Press enter. Now you can see you opened a command prompt. It is automatically opened to the place where Java file is available. The current location is a December batch dev. Current location December batch dev. Can you type dir? Everybody, type the dir command to see the content of the current directory. In order to see the content of the current directory, directory, dir. In the current directory, only hello.java available. Now, trigger javac command space. Everybody. Javac space. We were giving a hyphen version earlier. Javac space hyphen version earlier. Javac space hyphen version. Right click. Java C space, right click. Class name already copied into the clipboard. Now mention .java. This is the file name. Java C space file name. Java C space file name. Java C space file name. The center. This is the compilation process. Compilation. Compiling hello.java. Compiling hello.java. How we are compiling? From where we are compiling? We are compiling through Java C command. From where we are compiling? From the place where Java file is saved. From the place where Java file is saved. Go to the dir. Go to the dir. Earlier, there were only hello.java. Now you have one more file. Hello.class. Hello.class also there. Even you can check it out from the December batch DEV. Are you finding hello.class additionally? Hello.class. Hello.class. Please observe. You have to mention Java C space right click. Don't type second time. Then .java. Press it. Compiled successfully. We got the hello.class. Compiling. It is generating a new file. Hello.class. Compilation produced a new file that is hello.class. A new file that is hello.class. New file hello.class. New file hello.class. Let's move to the third step, running. Compilation is done. We got the hello.class. Running. Running can be done through Java command. Running can be done through Java command. Java command. Running can be done through Java command. Java command. Running can be done through Java command. This Java command, you have to run from the place where class file is available. Class file also available in the same location. Java command should run. Java command should run from the place where class file is available. where class file is available. Run Java command. Specify only class name. Right click. Only class name. Only class name. Don't mention dot class. Automatically it will be taking a dot class file. You need to mention only class name. It's a part of the syntax. You had to mention only class name. It's a part of the syntax. You have to mention only class name. Only class name. Don't mention hello dot class. It will take a hello dot class automatically. Done everybody? So please observe everybody. First and foremost one confirm whether your hello.java it is showing source as a type as a source or not. Some people might have saved this as a text file. Please check it out. What is the type it is showing? Hello.java type should be showed as a Java source. Please confirm everybody. Type should be Java source. Type should be Java source. Now, select the address bar, type CMD. Select the address bar, type CMD. Java C space, Java C space, right click, hello, dot Java. You should not see any error here. Anybody getting any error here? You should see like this only. No error? Anybody error? Java C space, file name dot Java. Java C space, file name dot Java. Java C space, file name dot Java. So once this is done, directly you can trigger Java space, right click, press it. Everybody getting hello word? Got it? Are you getting or not? Not? What is the message? What is the message? Java C not recognized as an internal operable. No? Path error. It's a path problem. Give it to me. I told you 100 times. Why you have given a space, man? Very bad. Now, why do you want software? Very bad. I don't like this type of people. I mentioned Java will not be supporting if space is there. See, every point I'm repeating 100 times. If you commit the same mistake, so please observe, every point is important, every word, every sentence is important. Forget about how you studied in the graduation. So here, each and every word also, every sentence also important. Throughout the life, same point, you'll come across thousands together times. That is why total dedication very much required. Please practice very well. Develop this type of programs, maybe 5 or 6, become very comfortable on only hello world development. Only hello world development. Tomorrow I'll show you remaining content.